Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my Christmas UPS truck box card. How cute is that? I love the little UPS logo there, the little brown truck. The delivery person is carrying the Christmas tree, Christmas present, and then that cute little stocking. There's detail all around this card. It folds relatively flat, and there's a spot on the back for your message. Of course, I include an envelope as well. This is the fourth version of my Christmas truck box cards. These have been so popular, and I hope that you enjoy gifting this one. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account already, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can take a look at the different options available for each membership tier and select which option is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and type in my credentials and log into the website. And now I've logged into my account. To access the file libraries, use the main navigation bar and head to the Files tab. Now this file is free, so it's available for all memberships. Those with free memberships will be able to go to the Free Files page and find the SVG there. Those with basic or premium memberships will be able to go to the File Library and find the SVG there. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 459, that is the Christmas UPS truck box card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do some converting to some of the score lines and some of the draw lines. So let's scroll down the Layers panel, find the envelope, highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the inside tab pieces. Highlight the score lines, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And now the right side of the box, which is going to be the front of the truck, and now for the left side of the box, which will be the back of the truck. That's this group right here. The top layer is going to be your score lines. Then this second layer, which is this black rectangle, highlight that and change it to pen. That's going to add some different lines to the back of the truck. Then highlight that group and attach. And the last thing that we need to convert is going to be the front of the card. So we need to highlight this top layer, change that to pen, highlight the group, and attach. So altogether we've converted score lines on the envelope, the two inside tab pieces, both of the side pieces for the box, and then we've converted the draw lines to pen on the left side piece of the box and the front piece of the box. Once all of those have been converted, go ahead and click Make It. You can see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and layer up the front of the card. Now I do have a layering guide that will go through the layering for every single piece of this card. That is located within the download, so I suggest that you do take a look at that. It's definitely going to help you out, so do refer to that. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. All right, there is our front of the UPS truck. How cute is that? I'm going to set that to the side. All right, now we're going to go ahead and work on the right side of the box, which would be the front of the card. So that's going to include the tab piece, the windshield, the 2 pieces to the grate, the 2 headlights, and then the trim piece. So I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer these pieces together. All right, and there is the front of our truck. All right, now we can work on what would be the back of the truck, or the left side of the box. That's going to include the piece with the pen lines on it. Again, I know that you can't really see those pen lines on camera, but they are there in person. I'm using a little bit of a darker cardstock than I normally would. It also includes the trim piece, the 2 pieces of the smaller logo for the back, the door handle, and then the 6 brake lights. Again, refer to that layering guide. So I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish along those score lines. And there is the back of our truck, or what would be the left side of the box. Now let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. And now I'm going to take the back box piece, flip that over so that the front of the truck is facing to the left, and I'm going to add my messaging panel to that. And we can set that to the side. Now let's go ahead and work on the inside tab pieces. First, I'm going to start with the Christmas tree. So we have the tab piece, and then the trunk layer, and then the foliage, and then I have all of the ornaments and the stars here in my tray. I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. And now I'm just going to layer everything up. And there is our Christmas tree layer. Let's set that to the side. Lastly, we can go ahead and layer up the present inside tab piece. So I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish along those score lines. And I'll go ahead and layer everything up. And there we have our present and stocking layer. So cute. Get my tray out of the way here. Now let's go ahead and start to assemble the box together. I'm going to take the back truck layer, flip that back over so that the messaging panel is on the bottom. I'm going to take the back of the truck, or the left side of the box, add my glue to the tab here, and then line that up with the top and bottom of the back piece. Just like so. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the right side of the box. Okay, so that's how it looks so far. Fold everything flat. Add your glue to this left tab. And now you can take the front of the card and line up the top and bottom. Just like so. Fold that right tab over, add your glue, and then you can fold the box over. And there is our box. I'm going to start with the inside tab piece with the Christmas tree. Add your glue to the tabs. Go ahead and feed that tab piece inside the box. I'm just making sure that I line up the edges at the top on both sides. Just like so. And now I will do the same thing for the present and stocking layer. Just place that right in front. And there we go. All of our pieces are put together. Super, super cute. I'm going to set the box card to the side, let everything dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Go ahead and add glue to the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place that over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. Then with your thumbs, go ahead and push up on the bottom flap and press. And that forms your envelope. And our UPS truck box card for Christmas is all set. How fun was this card? I can totally see the delivery person just smiling from ear to ear when you gift this card to them, thanking them for such a great job over the year. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. If you're interested in any of the other Christmas truck box cards, make sure to click the tutorial link in the description below. From there, you'll be able to see the different links to the different projects. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!